All right, we're at this building in Berwyn.
Oh boy.
Actually, this is my first Dover impulse since coming back.
Oh yeah, so this is like very exciting for you.
Oh, I know. This place is dead quiet, huh? I can't tell if this is like just plain apartments
It's condos.
or if it's like kind of like a care facility, like an assisted living type of place. Because I saw two people with like that guy and the other guy. I think they had like a logo on them for like a health facility thing.
All right,
How's it going?
good.
Thank you.
Thank
All
you.
right.
Oh, it's a hydraulic.
Here we go.
Get a picture like this here. It's got that later door operator from Dover that goes.
Is this a ThyssenDover?
This might be. This really could be. Am I blocking you?
Can't see much anyway.
Yeah.
If I'm pulling too much, the whole thing will come toppling
exactly,
down.
yeah. You know what? You can see it just fine like this. And that one has the other door operator, the older one.
Don't go away. Appreciate it.
Oh, no problem, no problem. Have a good one. That.